We know that it's not easy and it's frustrating, and we're trying to get through this pandemic as best we possibly can. And to do that, we have to reduce community transmission. And unfortunately, all of us are having to make sacrifices of different types, particularly kids.
The Prime Minister will not be taking his kids out for Halloween this year, like he did in this footage from 2017. Their Ottawa home is in a COVID hotspot, along with Toronto, York, and Peel regions, where trick-or-treating is not recommended.
A friend of mine suggested that maybe we could do an Easter-style treasure hunt for candy throughout the house and yard, and that's something that we're also reflecting on. I think families will be creative in how they respond to giving their kids as fun a holiday as we can, while always listening to public health officials and respecting local guidelines.
I'm not canceling Halloween. What we're highly recommending, do not go door to door in the hotspot areas.
The Premier hopes people won't leave a hotspot to trick-or-treat in an area with less community transmission.
If you want to load your a whole bunch of kids in the car and drive 30 miles or whatever, we don't have enough police. We can't be checking every single car. We can't be checking every single area. If someone has a house party, well, they're being reckless and they're being careless. Guys, the only way we're going to get through this is by following the protocols.
The average number of people contracting COVID in Canada is still rising, and more people are needing hospitalization, according to the Chief Public Health Officer.
We need to remember that every person that we encounter brings with them a whole network of contacts. So as much as you can, I urge everyone to stick to your consistent, trusted close contacts and avoid encounters in crowded and closed settings with limited ventilation.
Those measures still apply outside Ontario's hotspots in places like Hamilton, where trick-or-treating can still go ahead this year. Lisa Hepfner, CHCH News.